why online courses are the best moneymaker right now. Also, leveraging the power of AI, this just creates less work for you. You don't have to dance on TikTok to make money. You can just set it and forget it and start making money with this exact plan, this transformation for your life to start making passive income. Now, if you're at this part of the year where you're like, oh my gosh, it's towards the end of the year, I have not hit my fucking goals, and you're pissed off about it, good. I need you to leverage that anger, go learn my training at Course Income Accelerator, and seriously think about if this is for you. Now, I have a whole research, how we go in, how we look at the leading courses, and we find gaps, and then we use AI to write our course structure, and we create slide decks, we film, all with tech that's literally free. I just can't be more happy for busy moms, entrepreneurs, college kids. Even me, I would have been a busy entrepreneur that if I would have saw this. Now, I've spent money on coaches before. I've bought programs in the thousands before, okay? Some I could name drop if I wanted to, or if you guys really want to know, you can book a coaching call to figure out which ones I love and which ones I don't love. But there are some really good people online that do teach you their methods that are a little different from mine, but it will all still set you financially free in the outcome. Some will make you more money per sale than others. Some will be like mine, where you'll make money and you won't have to do marketing. You won't have to go online. You won't have to meet anybody, And that's why all the faceless YouTube channels, I think once they start figuring out like how powerful this is and they start watching these videos too, that I'll get a lot of you guys in here too that are like, yo, hey, Anthony. If you're thinking about doing this, you don't know it's for you, you want some coaching, or you want an exact strategy, or you want to do something over video chat, or you want your life, like you want to hear what I would do if I was you right now, then that's the coaching links below. Eventually those are going to go away too. Time constraints. We're not doing your life's work and selling it on a platform for cheap. No, we're making courses for beginners. We're helping you. I have an exact blueprint strategy. And I couldn't be more have these results in my personal life right now, only because when you get in right now, when I do enact that $1,000, anybody who's a past student, they will also get in at a good price. Now, I can't rave more about how much a busy mom, an entrepreneur, a freelance, a gig worker, faceless YouTube channel creators can benefit out of joining the CIA or the Course Income Accelerator. I just think that's a funny play on words there. But how literally, like for busy moms, like I said, if your kids are at naps, downtime at school, they're at after school activities, this isn't a program where we got to invest 20 hours to get one course up. No, we're not doing your life's work. Once again, we are just teaching something from A to B, a skill or a transformation that you have. If there's people creating courses using free Google apps and getting paid hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars weekly, you can literally go on there and create how you make money from your phone, or you can create how you play a certain game and get this desired outcome. There's people getting paid, which is so crazy, with no skills. They're just literally teaching you how to play a game, and they're screen recording their game time, they're dropping it, and people are buying it. Wow. The link to the Course Income Accelerator, so you can just jump in there and you can watch the zero marketing income formula. It's literally what I'd figured out over 14 months. It's working for me, and it's been working for my students, and I'm starting to even get successful testimonials. I'm so excited.